Are you ready to embark on a journey to the future? In 2024, get ready for some unforgettable travel experiences. Whether you're a seasoned world traveler or just starting your adventures, these travel tips will help you make the most of your vacations. First tip, embrace the unexpected. Keep an open mind and allow yourself to be surprised by new and unfamiliar destinations. That hidden gem off the beaten path might just become your favorite spot in the world. Next, connect with the locals. Immerse yourself in the culture of each place you visit. Interact with the people, try the local cuisine, and embrace their traditions. You'll not only learn something new but also create lasting memories. Now, let's talk technology. In 2024, technology will be even more integrated into our travel experiences. From augmented reality tour guides to seamless language translation, these advancements will enhance our ability to explore and connect with the world around us. Embrace these innovations and make your travels easier and more enjoyable. Speaking of technology, remember to unplug from time to time. Don't let the constant need for connectivity overshadow the beauty of the moment. Take a break from your devices and truly immerse yourself in the wonder of the world. Finally, be a responsible traveler. In 2024, sustainability and eco-friendly practices will be paramount. Respect the environment, support local businesses, and leave a positive impact on the places you visit. We all have a responsibility to preserve the beauty of this planet for future generations. So, in the year 2024, get ready to uncover unforgettable travel visions. Embrace the unexpected, connect with locals, embrace technology, unplug when needed, and be a responsible traveler. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. Happy travels!